welcome to today's vlog, and today we have somebody who is super excited here.
Loki.
Guys, he understood what we are gonna do today in the vlog.
He's all asking.
Loki, where you wanna go?
He's gonna go outside. He just told me.
Look, let's go. Do that?
He just wants to get out.
Oh guys, look at that. He is very much excited to go out, so we thought, look at that.
He's not moving from the gate.
If we don't open it, he'll bite and open that. He will jump after something. We'll go out today.
Yes guys, so we're going out. We thought we'll take Loki outside and we'll show you how is, walking Loki. You might be wondering, like, walking a Siberian husky through like the streets is super cool and all those things, but I'll show you guys what's the exact truth.
Very cool, very cool. Guys, the reality of taking Loki outside, you will see today. He didn't like what we said, okay? Oh God, next level terror. Yeah.
We'll see the terror, guys. Let's go.
Yeah. Better we taking him outside than he escaping.
I think you should keep it.
No, I think he's
guys,
gonna
we're taking a lot of, precautions before.
Yeah.
So EO is taking him.
I think we have to hold Leo now.
We'll see what is going on.
Guys, let's see it.
No vehicles outside.
Yes,
Oh my God. Oh my God. You have to be as fast as.
Loki, this side or that side? Guys, EO is flying.
Not that side, not that side.
Guys, somebody's gonna pee. No, don't pee anywhere. Whoa, you're gonna.
This is so happy to say. Actually, I want to leave him without the tag. Then you won't get him back.
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's nice. It's a good exercise.
We're not poo.
Oh my God.
He goes on marking the entire street.
Oh my God, guys, this is how walking a Siberian husky.
Even we are feeling happy running with him. It's so good.
It's so good, right? I really like.
He doesn't have his Apple tag. I wonder how we'll catch him if he runs.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Just with the choke chain, guys. Bro, I can hear some. Loki, come. Guys, some celebration is going on here. Loki is also with us. There is other street dogs. hates Loki. We were trying to, socialize Loki as much as, we can, but he is kind of another.
First interaction is like fight.
Oh my god, I got scared. Ah.
is the most handsome guy of all.
Really? All the girls here likes him.
It's very hard when Loki is pulling me and going.
So guys, the function that we saw over there with all the music and all, it is a funeral. So this is how funeral happens here in Karnataka. So we didn't know actually. So we didn't want to actually film all of that. It would be really disrespectful. Yeah. So we came back. We told our condolences and we came back. Yeah. So now we're taking Loki back. Yeah. Now he's walking normal.
He saw his friends there.
Oh my God! I was like, I thought he got a bite.
The first interaction is unexpected.
Should I was, worrying, should I hold the camera or should I hold Loki?
He was jumping and he got choked.
Ah?
The chain got choked. Yeah, it
Shit, guys.
He's waiting for him.
Oh my God. They're friends.
No, this is a Labrador.
It's a Labrador. Guys, everybody here in the streets, just like if Loki comes out, yeah, there's another Rottweiler here. Guys. So let's take Loki back then.
I don't understand if he's friends, if he's enemies.
The problem with Loki is he wants to get some dogs
Yeah?
to be friends.
Yeah? But I don't know how. We actually bathed him today morning.
But I think
Yeah, I think all this, we need to do it again, right?
just now he played in that cement.
He's marking his territory everywhere.
from the cement to play with that.
Let's go back, guys.
Not that
Bro, not that side. We're going back now.
This is your home. Come.
Come
Enough
on, bro.
of the
Let's
walking
go.
train.
I don't think he want to come.
Loki. Oh my God. So sad. Very sad. Inside the office. Actually,
the way he
going
jumps,
with
I
him
feel
is like
like
another perspective.
It's like actually refreshing, you know?
Yeah.
And also, he's also happy. We are also happy at the same time.
I got a very good exercise like
Guys, so let him enjoy. Yeah? So guys, today we thought, we'll just give a reaction video of one of our previous vlogs, which was done. Which was one of the oldest of us. So we thought how we'll actually, did at that time and right now, that comparison. Let's see.
But yeah, that is challenging
Okay, guys. So guys, it started. Drake started the vlog that day.
Yeah, I just woke up.
Oh my god, the morning was so good.
This late you woke up? Okay.
Guys, look at our garden.
She is going to show all the garden and things.
The main
See the house.
Oh, this Bangla house.
This is my favorite
I
spot.
remember this.
The squirrel. Oh my god, that zooming was so good.
Guys, Loki.
Loki is always there.
Our main star.
Yeah, our star. These days we start our vlogs with the exercise.
I'm gonna leave the weights now.
I remember it. Oh
Man.
It's full of destruction, man.
I thought of weightlifting and then it changed to something else.
The day schedule changed and we are
Actually, if it
keeping
fell
back
in
the
somebody's
weights.
leg.
It fell down. Trying to fix it. You were so passionate about doing the weight.
Actually, those days we were doing exercise. Right now, our taekwondo ma'am, Mashat ma'am, she went for this fight.
Championship.
There's a championship going on, so she's there. So that's why we are also not doing
now,
exercise.
That time she used to do online classes. And right now we are on break, guys.
Corona time, guys.
So, right now break from all the exercise, getting back to all the food and all.
Look at you.
So funny. This is our forever the same warm up. We have been doing this every day, the same warm up.
Warm up was
No change in any pattern there.
Oh,
It used to be so relaxing.
guys, I think we should get back to that routine.
Exactly.
back.
Actually,
It
we can
was
start
better
with yoga because we lost the track of
Yeah.
weightlifting and all that stuff.
We were doing heavy training, guys.
And most of the time we are in traveling. No, we didn't.
Yeah, we didn't get that consistent.
This is like a school punishment, dude.
I think actually COVID helped us to be consistent in this exercise.
Even though it's online, we are ready to do anything.
Yeah.
That's absolutely correct. Even though we faint, we
What
do
are we
the
doing?
weightlifting.
Yeah.
Oh
This
God.
video is the
Actually,
next level video.
so this is taekwondo. Taekwondo, it's more of kicks and all that. So we were.
and kicks are different.
Mm.
There'll be
So-
boxing, there'll be taekwondo. These are like basics.
So this is together called MMA.
Yeah.
Mixed martial arts.
This can also look like a dance step.
Yeah, dance.
And
yeah.
right now we are strengthening on our basics. So what our ma'am told, if you are good in basics, you can go any extent with combinations of kicks.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we started the kicks.
Oh shit. We
Oh,
got
this
our
is the
boxing
pad.
pads.
Dead.
And we
Yes.
are happy that day.
Yo, Drix is coming, guys.
Drix is telling us how to do a kick.
She's like doing like
Trainer.
Drix is best trainer, guys. If ma'am is not there, she's our next trainer for martial arts.
Oh my god, see this.
Oh, God.
Drix is like disappointed in me.
Oh my god, there will be a lot of kicks like we did that time.
I like Zoe's dressing this time. She's like ready for the workout.
Oh my god,
Whoa.
see Nev, man, she looks like that. Yeah, she looks like
matching.
I'm like, shit.
Nev, you have no idea how, but she gets some
Yeah,
crazy
Oh
amount
my
of
god,
energy
it's
during
so funny.
Yeah.
I think these all are the kicks. Like we
Yeah.
are very tired.
Super tired, guys.
Very much tired. See, look at Lit.
Where is Lit?
Yeah.
She just sat to the pillar. Shit.
Oh my god. I still remember Lit's condition.
Even I remember.
I'm me being a sadist.
Oh my god.
Like, let's do it.
Grace giving full of energy to us. Like do it.
finding reasons to escape.
I was like, I had no both of that time.
Initially, Zoe is not there in exercise and all.
I can't. This is my match.
Oh,
Actually, it was like that.
Really?
I
It was blurry.
see.
It was bad, yeah.
It was all blurred. She can't see properly.
We are still continuing with exercise, guys. We are like, oh man.
And in between ma'am is giving suggestions.
This didn't end yet.
No, you were always
you were
doing
there
that.
the
Yeah,
whole
yeah.
1 hour. Actually, 2 hours, 1.5 hours and all we used to do.
Pack up of everything. No, we are starting cardio.
Stretching.
We are
Stretching
starting the
exercise.
cardio and
Grace showing the names.
we all have our names on our
See, everyone is coming like
We were so kid.
kiddish, but it's fine. But that time it was very hectic, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
I was
God.
very
actually, to be
tired.
frank, we are more energetic all the while.
Oh my god, it is.
Oh my god, this is stretching, extra stretching.
You hate stretching, right?
I like stretching.
Oh,
The only
then
thing
who
I
is the
like
one?
is stretching.
Even I like the
Even watch.
stretching.
This is something that I am able to do.
Guys, great job.
Completed.
We completed our exercise, guys. We feel like just now we completed and we are very happy for that.
Yoki
It
was
was really nice.
Backing up everything. Yeah, it was nice.
I think we have to continue our exercise again.
Oh, guys.
Yeah.
And actually, even this video got a lot of.
Oh, this is nice.
Actually, that time we are having this challenge of throwing. We randomly throw and we have to catch
and
them.
catch.
Fine. This is a kind of mind game.
And EO is bad at it. She just skipped it.
Yeah. Second time, she's look at the happiness.
That is so funny.
He was the topper.
Oh my god.
So guys, we hope you liked today's video. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon.